The Borderland Line runs due north from Wrexham Central Station in North East Wales to Bidston via Shotton High Level. The line is 27.5 miles in length. The line has been chosen to trial the former London Underground D train stock converted to diesel battery power. The southern half of the line, between Wrexham and Shotton, runs through Wales, but beyond the line passes into the Wirral in Cheshire, England. It terminates at Bidston, where it meets Merseyrail. Originally the line ran a further 3/4 of a mile to Birkenhead North. The line starts at Wrexham Central and after half a mile reaches Wrexham General. As the name suggests, Central is far better located for the city centre than the former Great Western Station at Wrexham General. My first visit to Wrexham Central was in February 1964. This view shows the old Central Station that was demolished and repositioned in November 1998, some 400 yards to the west, to make way for a large shopping redevelopment. This is the replacement station building. It's now completely unused. Inside there is one platform long enough for a 4-coach train, and there is space for a second platform if one is ever needed. A Class 150 DMU arrives in November 2023 when an hourly service was in operation, all operated by Class 150 units. Still in November 2023, a Class 150 unit approaches Wrexham General Station. The track is completely separate from the main station, and until comparatively recently, the one platform serving the Borderland Line had a separate name, Wrexham Exchange. Here the train seen previously now returns from Wrexham Central on the next train to Bidston. In November 2023, the Class 230 diesel battery trains were in the final process of crew training and reliability testing. A new 40-minute interval service was introduced in June 2024 and required 3 trains to fulfil the service, 2 of which were brand new 2-car Class 197 units. One of these units is seen here arriving at Wrexham Central. "40 minutes later, a diesel battery Class 230 arrives, making a very cautious descent towards the hydraulic buffers. A view into the driving compartment shows a very compact space, very similar in size to that of the original D-Class underground trains. In contrast, the entrance vestibules are spacious, as is the toilet, suitable for wheelchair users. There is a variety of seating, longitudinal, in pairs and in 4s around the tables. I was pleasantly surprised by the light and spacious interiors. Sitting in the centre car of a 3-car train, the noise of the 4 diesel-powered gensets is easily heard. The power is needed to boost the battery power. There are 4 3.2-litre 5-cylinder Ford diesel engines under the centre carriage. Fuel consumption is said to be less than half that of an old 2-car Pacer unit. The front of the Transport for Wales battery unit trains is an improved version of the earlier units. Here a train departs Shotton High Level. A Class 197 CAF-built diesel unit hurries along towards Shotton. The path on the left leads to Shotton Low Level Station. The front-end design of a Class 197 is less aesthetically pleasing than that of the simple design of one of the battery units. The Borderland Line was earmarked for closure under the Beeching Plan of 1963, but it survived as it was thought there would be a large increase in population. The station was rebuilt in 2009 and boasts a waiting room now locked out of use. There is no sign of vandalism or graffiti. Overall, I was impressed by the Class 230 trains. They have been converted to a very high standard. Technically, there is still a question mark over their reliability, and battery capacity is a major concern. I hope they are successful.